Okay, so first of all, start from the weekly trade recap. Weekly recap what is possible in upcoming days in a major pair, as we do in every week a webinar. And after that, we will do some quick back testing for your training and some quick question answer end of the session. Okay, so we will start from the top pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold, Bitcoin, and some requested pair. After that, I think NAS 100 will be in our list. And after that, and we will do some back testing on any specific pair. And after that, we will start some quick question answer. Okay. So let's start from Euro USD. Okay, let's look at the higher time frame picture first in a daily time frame. So in a daily time frame picture, you can see market momentum is a bearish and market continue falling into downside. So I want to ask you here, mark the correct lower high and lower low and break of structure. Everyone can mark here, use annotate tool, because I want to train like me, okay, which will help you exactly to marking the structure with me. Okay, so everyone can mark the lower low and lower high. No need to write them, simply you can circle or mark using your drawing. As soon as you can draw previous move also on phone. I can't. Okay, then you can leave. Okay, all right. Exactly. Correct. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Yes, now you are on right path. How I can you can simply tap on the annotate button and then you can write on the diagrams. Okay, perfect. So this is our structure. Which one is here? This is our lower low and this is our lower high. As I mentioned in every webinar, this is our inducement, which is must be taken out to confirm this lower low. And after that, what happened here? Market break the structure is here, right? So once market break the structure into downside and close below it, so this become our valid break of the structure. After that, what happened here? As you can see here, market create another new lower low. Why? Because market create this minor inducement is here, right? Because this one is our pullback, and then what happened? Market taken out this pullback, and then we can see this become our valid lower low is here, right? And after that, what happened here? Market break the structure is here. After break the structure, our lower high confirm. Which one is here? Because this one is our highest point after break this structure. And after that, what happened here? You can see market get new lower high is here. And this one is our inducement, right? Because this is our first pullback. And after that, what happened here? market taken out the inducement, and then again sell. And again, this one is our break of structure, which one is here. So in this case, as you can see, after break the structure, where is our inducement? So this is our first pullback is here in this leg. Only one pullback is here. So once market taken out this inducement, right? So this lower low will be confirmed here. But right now, this lower low is not confirmed here because market can be pushed downside like this, right? If market break this low and then this high act like a inducement, okay? Mr. Khan, in some cases you have choose between minor inducement and major inducement. Which one you correct? Actually, the minor inducement and major inducement we use generally when major inducement are like let me show you exactly what I'm trying to say here. For example, here that minor inducement distance between minor inducement and major inducement are very like closely, then you have to choose major inducement. And if minor inducement and major inducement distance are very larger, then you can choose minor inducement on those case. Okay, so for example here, let me show you exactly. Yeah, this is our inducement, actual inducement. For example, this candle big taken out this high, right? Technically this is our single leg, right? So what happened here? Market push higher, and this is our minor structure between this leg. Okay, so in this case we can take this high. In this case market did not taken out this previous candle high, but in case market taken out this previous candle high, so we can choose this high act like a minor inducement, and major inducement is here, right? And sometime what happened, minor inducement like major inducement is here, right? And price pushing like this. Okay, so in this case you can use minor inducement is here because major inducement is here, and distance between the minor major is a very larger, right? So same thing happen here. Market break the structure, and after break the structure, where is our inducement? This one, this high act like an inducement. Once market taken out this inducement, then we can sell into downside, right? So this lower low is not confirmed here, but this lower high is confirmed here. Why? Because market break the structure into downside, and after break the structure, right, our lower high will be confirmed here. So let's see what happen next in upcoming days and what a possible scenario is here. So we can expect two types of scenario is here. You can see here previous candle took in out this high, which one is here. So in this case, what is the possible? In this case, we can see price tap on this order block is here. We can sell possible scenario till this low, right? But this lower low is not confirmed. Okay, why? We can sell here, but lower low is not confirmed here because market need taken out this high. If market taken out this high, then this lower low will be confirmed. Either market break this low and taken out this inducement possibly, and then this low will be confirmed here, right? So I'm expecting price tap on the extreme order flow, sorry, extreme order block, which one is here. Once price tap on this one, then we can sell for the short term, at least till this low, right? But our lower low will be confirmed when market taken out the inducement, or maybe market create new inducement, or maybe market taken out this one, which one is a present inducement in this line, right? So this is our order block in the left side, and this act like a uh, in like SMT. Why? Because in this case there is no inducement below it. So price tap here, give a little bit reaction, and then market go higher, right? And then market push downside after taking out the inducement, or maybe tap on this order block, right? One price tap on the order block, then you have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation for the reversal, then you can sell. Okay, now let's switch into the 15-minute, then we can see more clear picture. So right now, this one is our 15-minute structure. Everyone mark the measure, I mean 15-minute higher high and higher low. In this wave, mark the correct structure, everyone. Also mark the previous last recent like boss, because market was bearish. Only mark the measure high or low only. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so first of all, look at the previous structure, which is our last structure before market go higher. So as you can see, this was our previous low, which one is here, right? So this one is our previous low, and you can see below this, I mean previous this line, this was our inducement, which one is here, right? So what happened here? Market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, what happened here? Market confirmed the lower low, which one is here, right? So this one is our lower low. Let me zoom this area, then you can understand more better. Look at this one, right? So this was our minor pullback is here, because this candle taken out the previous candle high. So this become our violet pullback. So what happened here? Market break the structure. This was our break of structure. After break the structure, what happened? Push downside. Again, market taken out this inducement and confirm this lower low. Right. So what happened here in the next move? Let me mark this one as also. This was a lower low, lower high, push downside, and this become our lower high when market break this previous low, which one is here. In the first attempt, what happened here? Market just sweep the liquidity. This one is a not a break of structure. When our break of structure confirm, when market the next candle break this low and close above it, sorry, below it, right? So this become our valid break of structure right here. So like this, okay? Our structure confirm here at this point. So after confirm this low, where is our inducement and where is our range? Perfect. Exactly. After break the structure, first internal high act like a inducement. So this area, this high act like a inducement. Which one is here? And after taking out this inducement, our lower low confirm here. Which one is here? Right. So this lower low is a confirm. And where is our range? This high to this low. This is our range between this high and low. If market actually wanna for reversal, then market must be break the previous high. If market wanna continue downside, then market must be break this low. And then we can consider as a break of structure, right? So if anything happen between this measure high or low, this is our internal structure between this measure structure. Okay. So this one is our internal structure. What happened here? Market break the structure. And after break the structure, what happened here? What is this? Change of character, right? And this one is our change of character. And some people mark this one as a change of character is here and here and here. No, this is not a change of character. If market tap on this demand zone, anything here, for example, this is your higher time frame demand zone is here, right? And 15-minute demand zone is here, and this is your 1 minute structure, for example. So first high act like a change of character. This will be not your inducement because market tap on your demand zone, right? So these three blue points are not your demands, sorry, change of character. Okay. So this lower low is a confirm, break the structure to the upside, and this one is our change of character right here. After this change of character, what happened here? Market go higher, and look at this picture is here. What is our minor inducement and major inducement in this wave? Okay. Okay. Now look at this point. This is a very important part is here. On the top of the structure, as you can see here, this one is our candle high and this is our candle low. Look at this, please. Right? But what happened here? This move did not break the previous candle low, right? So we can't consider this as an inducement. But what happened here? Market break this high, right? But we can use as a minor inducement. Okay. And if you wanna the mark the major inducement in this leg, where is our major inducement? Look at this. This is a single leg. Market continue go higher, higher, right? So this point, market break the previous candle low, which one is here, right? So this low act like a major inducement. So in this case, we can use minor inducement to marking your structure, right? Because major inducement is a very distance between the minor and major is a very larger, right? So in this case, we can use the first minor inducement as a actual inducement, right? So after that, what happened here? Market go higher, and this point act like a higher high, right? This is our minor inducement because this is our recent pullback between this bullish candle. Is that sweep? Not means a sweep. Doesn't mean sweep. If candle close above it, which is also fine. Because our change of character is here. Taken out the inducement, and then what happened? Market confirmed the higher high, and the what happened here? In the next attempt, market break the structure is here. In the first attempt, market just sweep the liquidity, but next attempt, market close above it. So this become our break of structure to the upside, right? So after break the structure, and one price close above it. So this lower low, sorry, this higher low is a confirm here. Yes, this is a not a valid pullback. Exactly. That's why we use as a minor inducement. Okay. Because in this candlestick, this is a bullish candlestick and this is a minor pullback is here. Right. And our high shift here to here. Yes, obviously. And this high will be shift here to here. Okay. So what happened here? Market break the structure and push higher. So in this case, you can see whereas our inducement after break the structure is here. Okay. Where is our inducement and why? Okay, perfect. Look, market break the structure is here. After break the structure, where is our pullback? Look at this one. This is our first pullback. And then after that, what happened? Market take the another pullback is here, right? And this is our minor pullback is here. And then again, market go continue higher, right? So market did not taken out the any inducement, but market create a pullback is here, right? And then what happened? Market minor inducement and go higher. So in this case, if you can see here, market did not break the previous candle low is here, but where market break the previous candle, previous low is here, right? So this is our technically our inducement. And one more reason is here, market sweep the previous candle high is here. So this high transfer like this high transfer here to here, right? So this high transfer here to here. And after that, where is our inducement? So this one is our minor inducement and this is our major inducement. Why? Because both inducement are between this leg. Okay. So in this case, there are very minor difference in distance between the major and minor. So we can use the major inducement is here and this one is our minor inducement, right? So what happened here? Market taken out the both inducement and now we have a range between this low to this high, right? And now we can see some buying momentum to the upside because market already tapped on the SMT and market keep a first pullback to the downside and then we can see continue move upside. I think this order block type here. Okay. Okay, so this is our Euro USD possible scenario, and we can expect some momentum to the upside. And if market give any indication here for the sell, we can also sell for the short term because market taken out the inducement, market sometime go on the extreme level, right? Okay, so we can market taken out the inducement, taken out the liquidity, which is creating like trendline liquidity. And then after that, we can sell till the extreme one. Which one is here? extreme, unmitigated order flow. Which one is here? Right. Okay. So this is our Euro USD story in a 15-minute structure, and you have to prepare on a both side, buy side and sell side. Right. Now let's switch back into the another pair, Euro USD. Actually, we don't trade. I don't trade Euro USD. So sorry, USD CAD. We we forecast only major pair, and after end of the webinar, we will see. Sure. Okay. GBP USD. Quick overview. What is this? In the daily time frame structure, you can see market momentum is a various. Everyone mark the daily time frame structure. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay. So this is our lower low and lower high, right? Take the structure here. And this one is our break off structure. After that, what happened here? Market create new structure is here, lower low, lower high. And this one is our new break off structure is here, right? And this one is our inducement, right? And the left side, this one. So in this like you can see there is no valid pullback is here. So how we can take entry in this scenario? We have a two possible scenarios here. Either market break this low and create inducement, right? Like here and here, and then we can see continue move into downside. And one more is a possible scenario is here if market go higher, right? And taken out this high, right? So this high transfer here to here, okay, and then possible to the move downside, and this is a like inducement. This is our lower high, and this will be lower like this move, okay, because this in this case in the left side there is a no inducement, so this high act like an inducement, right? No, these are not. Let me show you exactly. Because the previous candle did not taken out the this high, this one, this candle high and this candle low, and this is the middle of this move. So price must be taken out this high, right? Either if market taken out this candle high is here like this, so this become our valid, okay, but price did not taken out the previous candle high, okay. So let's switch into the 15-minute. In the 15-minute structure, market momentum looking bullish and continue trying to go higher. And we can see market trying to go higher. So right now, price taken out the inducement is here, confirm the higher high is here, higher high, and this was our break the structure is here, change of character, okay, and there is no pullback is here, still single leg. I asked before if you don't have inducement in your I act like inducement. What happen if price close of the high? Yes, uh, if there is a no inducement and price taken out the previous candle high or close of it, right? So we should move our like a high, shift high. If sweep, then we can act like a sweep the sorry. Let me show you in a one day. If price sweep this high, we can shift our high like if price did not sweep and close above it, then we can mark as a change of character. Okay. Okay. So in this case, as you can see here, market continue going higher high. Yes, well, Joe. And this is our counter trend, right? And if you mark start from here, this is a higher high, pushing higher high, taken out the inducement, push downside, inducement, sorry, higher low, and this one is our break of structure. After break the structure, I mean change of character technically, go higher, and the first pullback okay, still this high and this low, the our trading range between this high to this low, right? So if market break above it, so this will be our break of structure. Okay. And if price push downside, we can see some buying momentum on this order flow, which one is here, right? And these are all unmitigated order flow. And I think this one, there are different order flows here, and a lot of unmitigated order flow is available here. So after taking out the inducement, measure inducement is here, and then we can see market trying to go higher, but did not fill any order flow is here, and then go higher. And this is our higher high. I mean the technically, because market taken out the inducement is here, because this is a counter trend, right? This is our counter trend, and you have to see this one, not left side. You have to focus on the current price action, because this is our current like a counter trend, right? Taken out the inducement, go high, downside, close above it, change of character, higher low. Why did you choose that as a job? Because break the structure is here. I'm talking about this high, this range, right? Like this. Okay. Okay. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP USD, right? And we can see some more move to the upside. If looks anything possible here for the sell, we can definitely sell for the short term, because higher time frame is a bearish and maybe taken out the previous low and create valid inducement in daily time frame, right? So look at this price action is here. If you can see here, market just sweep the liquidity, previous candle high is here. So once price taken out this high, and this big act like a supply, which one is here? Let me show you this one, right? So sweep this high, tap this, mitigate this one, and then what happen here? Again, sweep this high, and again looking for the move downside. So we can expect in a downside move in a GBP USD, and you have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation in a 1 minute structure, then we can sell. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in a GBPUSD for the buy and sell. Okay, now let's say back into the, now can be enter now. You have to wait for the lower time frame, and when market is open, then very huge spread that time. So I think you have to wait at least London open. In the London session, market momentum is very high, very good for the trade. Okay, so let's switch into the another pair, USD CAD. I will do USD CAD also in a end of the weekly markup. So let's switch into gold. Look at the first gold. Yes, I will do Bitcoin also. So in the gold, you can see here market tap our liquidity point. After taking out the liquidity is here. This one. This area is act like a strong demand zone, right? Because a lot of people introduce here for the buy at this point, right? When price tap on this zone, then a lot of people are trying to buy here and they're putting the stop loss just below it. And what happened here? Market collect all money and then go higher. And then market push downside and maybe continue go higher, right? So what is a possible scenario in the next week? Because we are mostly a day trader, so we don't need to like say the higher time frame like daily, week, sorry, weekly, monthly, right? Because we are day trader, we need a few pips for the trade, right? So look at the picture in a daily time frame first, and then we can switch into 15 minute. So in the daily time frame structure, we can see everyone mark the structure from top to bottom in this line. Mark the structure in this line. Only mark the lower low and lower high only. How I can mark the on chart? Simply tap on the annotate on your Zoom meeting. Then you can use drawing. Okay. Okay, perfect everyone. So our structure is here. Start from the top. If you can see here, this was our first internal low. I mean, the previous inducement, you can see market was bullish. So this is our first pullback, which market taken out. And after taking out the high, sorry, low, market push downside. If market tap on the this high, tap on any supply zone in the left side, right? So this low act like a change of character. If not, market momentum is a bullish. So this act like a inducement, right? So what happened here? Market taken out the inducement or taken out the like change of character. So what is a possible scenario here? Market close below it, and then you have to taken out the inducement again to confirm the lower low, right? So in this case, what happened here? This become our new lower low is here. Why? Because this is act like a inducement, right? So this is our inducement. Why? Let me show you exactly. Because this candle high taken out by this move, right? So this is our pullback. So this is our pullback. Market go higher, taken out the inducement, and then we can confirm this is a lower low. And after that, what happen here? Market break the structure into downside. When market break this structure here and close below it, right? So after close above it, below it, this become our lower high, which one is here. And then market push downside, and after that, this become our new lower low, right? And where is our inducement is here. So this is our inducement is here. And after that, what happened here? Market confirm this lower high. Why? Because market break the structure here, right? Okay. So this is our break of structure. And look at this one. Another example is here for the minor and major. This I act like a minor and this I act like a major, because this black candle, this is our large black candle, and this move between this black candle. So we can use a minor and major. So between this major and minor, our gap are very smaller, right? So in this case, you have to use the major, right? And if same thing happen here, so we can use the minor, which one is here, right? Market push downside, and after that, this become our lower low after taking out this inducement, which one is here, correct? So after taking out the inducement, we can probably sell possibly on this order block, which one is here, because market taken out the liquidity into left side, right? So market taken out the liquidity. So this uh, candle is a act like a proper supply zone. Tap here and then possible to the downside move. Perfect. So this is our inducement. If market push downside, for example here, if not tap this, taken out this inducement and push downside, so our inducement will be transferred here to here. Okay. All right. So now let's switch into the 15-minute structure to see exactly what happening. So right now in a 15-minute structure, market momentum is a bullish and trying to go higher, as you know. And in this leg, mark the correct valid structure, everyone. Okay. Okay, perfect. Look at this one. First of all, you have to mark the recent structure, which was a bearish. So this was our last move is here, right? And this one is our new lower low, which one is here, and this is our lower high. Why? Because market pushed downside and close below it. So this one is our break of structure. After that, what happened here? You can see market close below it, and where is our inducement? Inducement was here, right? Market already taken out this high, taken out this inducement, and confirm this lower low, which one is here at this point. Okay, is here. So this one is our lower low confirm here. And then what happened here? Market break the structure is here. And this one is our change of character because market momentum was bearish and now shift into bullish, right? And below it, I mean, after break this change of character, whereas our new structure high, this one, because market taken out the inducement is here. Okay. So after taking out the inducement, confirm the higher high, market push downside, and then you have to wait for the new structure. And now market break the structure to the upside. After break the structure, our lower higher low confirm is here. Okay. So after break the structure, you have to identify where is our inducement. So in this leg, you can see here, look at this picture is here. This high break this one. Okay. So our technically inducement is here, which is a minor inducement and major inducement is here, right? But what happened here? Market did not break this minor inducement even. If you can see here, let me zoom this one. Okay, market did not taken out the inducement, but market break this high. Which one is here? So our inducement is change here at this point. So our new inducement is here and major inducement is here. So now you can see a big difference between the minor and major. So in this case, we can use a minor inducement and this high act like a higher high. And after that, this become our new break of structure is here. And after this break of structure, where is our higher low is here, right? Break the structure, push higher. What happened here? Market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, what happened here? Market tape on the extreme one, which one is here, and then go higher. But market did not close over it, just sweep the liquidity. So we can transfer this high to here, right? And when market close over it, okay. So in this case, we can shift our high. First high was here because market taken out the inducement, which was here, and then our new high transfer here to here. So our inducement will be also transfer here to here, right? Market taken out this inducement. Now we have a range between this high to this low, right? So right now momentum is a bullish and possibly tap on the extreme, which one is here. If market tap here and then trying to market uh, go higher, but market unable to hold this zone and then possibly market push downside. And this zone act like a flip, market go higher and tap and push downside like this, right? So this is a possible scenario in a gold into 15-minute and daily time frame. Check if you don't mind. Let me open this one. Why did you? What are you saying here? Actually this high, actually this high mark as a, because this is our minor structure like a pullback structure, because this high broke this low and this high by broken. Yes, this is an inducement, this is a not change of character. At least market taken out the inducement, which one is here. In this case there is no. After break the previous high, market at least taken out the inducement. which is here. So next attempt, close above it and then go higher. And this is a pullback for the higher time frame, right? So this is a possible scenario in a gold. Now let's switch into the Bitcoin. After that, I will start quick question answer. Don't we have a back testing? I think it's take a lot of time because, but let's see. Let's see some little bit back testing if possible. So right now we can see in a Bitcoin in a higher time frame picture, market tapping on the demand zone like this order block, which one is here, and market respecting very carefully is here. So what is a possible scenario here? We have a two possible scenario is here. First one is here. If market break this low, then what happen? If market sustain like a hold this low, then what happen? Right. So in this case, you have to mark the internal like internal first inducement, which one is here, and this one, but actual inducement is here, right? So between this inducement, this one and this one, these are two inducement is here, minor and major. So once market taken out this minor inducement, we can also sell, but technically our actual inducement is here, right? And now you can see between the minor and major, there are very larger like a range. Okay, so we can use minor in this case. Okay, so once market taken out this inducement and possibly tap on this supply, which one is here, and then we can sell. Okay, if any other possible scenario is here, but market must be break this low, then we can sell. Okay, because this is a minor, because between like this is a large big large candle is here, and this is a minor pullback between this large candles high low, right? That's why use as a minor this candle. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in a Bitcoin in a one week. And after that, let's switch into the lower time frame little bit, then we can see more clear picture. And after that, I will start quick back testing. So this is our low, which must be break this. Then we can see like this move, break this low, and this is a weekly inducement is here, right? So what is the possible scenario is here? You can see market sweep the previous high candle liquidity and trying to go lower, and we are expecting market push downside little bit and then go higher, taking out this inducement and then go downside. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in a Bitcoin in a daily time frame, in a weekly time frame, in a 1 hour time frame. Market collecting money in a both side. You can see taken out the liquidity and go higher, taken out the liquidity and then push downside. Market just collecting the money, and then what happened? Change of character, taken out the inducement, tap on the extreme, and then possible to the downside move. Again, where is our next move? Break this high, break this change of character and go higher like this. Tap on this order flow and possible to the downside. like this. Okay, so right now price action is a very in a ranging in a Bitcoin in a 1 hour time frame, but you have to pay attention here, taken out the any high or low before the buy or sell. Okay, so I think we should start quick back testing for the next 20-30 minutes, and which will more helpful for everyone. And after that we will start some quick question answer. So which pair you suggest for the back testing, everyone? I want a back test for any range. We can use any range. Aussie USD, Kiwi dollar, Euro Aussie is very leggy pair. USD CAD, Aussie USD gold, Aussie USD. Okay, USD, Aussie USD gold, USD chief. I think there are different requests. I'll choose uh, random pair. What do you suggest? What is a like same one repeating same pair? What about GBP everyone? Because GBP is not backtest too many lot of time. I mean, after a long time. Sorry for my English. Okay, because same process, same thing. As you know, market momentum is a bullish. Okay, let's switch into the 15 minute. Now I will ask you everything. Okay, I will not take any decision by myself, because I will ask you on on any point. I mean every point. Okay, before the buy or sell. So for example, which point I will start? We can take any point. I think today we will in a buy side, because a lot of time we have done in a sell side. Actually, this is a very like a very sharper move into downside. Okay, I think this area is looking very good. This one is taken out the inducement, and we generally wait for this is here. Okay, so let's do back test. This entire zone is here. Let me open this one. Okay, can you make use daily trading circle? Do you use day trading circle? I don't know what are you saying. Okay, so right now let us get the jump. We are not using the chalk or was we just using the entries into lower time frame, because we know, everyone know that market was bullish, right? But we want know into lower time frame that how price reacting. Okay. Okay, so we can see different types of entry in a 1 minute, like entry type 1, 2, 3, right? So let's see, start here. So this is our entry type 2. As you know, when market break the structure and then market taken out the inducement, but after taking out the inducement, market close below it. So you can apply entry type 2, which is here like this, and then go higher, taking out the inducement, and then go upside, right? So this one, I'm talking about this one, not this one. This one is an anti-type 1 technically. So when price close below it, so this one is a anti-type 1, sweep the liquidity. So this one come our anti-type 3. In the first attempt, market just sweep the liquidity. So this one is our anti-type 1. Let's say two back bar plays here. Okay. So this one is our anti-type 1. Which one is here? Right. So this one is our demand zone. And if we switch into 1 minute, you have to wait for the taken out the inducement in 1 minute, then we can buy. And second type of anti, if market close below it, so those called anti type 2. Same process, anti will be same, right? So in this case, most of the time when market taken out the inducement, we can generally buy here and put the stop loss just below it directly. First entry possible is here for the buy, right? And the second entry after close below it, then you have to switch into 1 minute for the confirmation, right? So let's see into 1 minute structure what happening here, and where is our chalk, and when we can take entry for the buy. So right now, where is our chalk? First thing. Okay, perfect. So first internal high act like a change of character, right? So in this case, this is our change of character is here. So market must be taken out this high, okay, and then taken out the inducement, and then we can buy here because market sweep the liquidity, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, still no chalk here. Okay, market failed. This demand zone is here, but there is no chalk into lower time frame. So we have to switch into 15 minute again to see exactly what happening here. If price close below it, so we can apply anti-type 2. If price tap on this one, so we can apply anti-type 1. Anti-type 1 means when market tap on the demand or supply zone, mitigate your order block, right? And anti-type 2, when market taken out the inducement, but close below it. Okay, not sweep the liquidity, just close below it. So that's called anti-type 2. If market taken out the inducement, but sweep the liquidity by a shadow, big. So that's called anti-type 3. This is a simple. Okay, but in a 1 minute structure, same thing, same process will be applied for the all entities, right? Chalk and taken out the inducement and then buy or sell, right? So again, switch into the 1 minute structure. And in this case, you can see here, market close below it in a 15-minute structure. So where is our chalk? Is here, obviously. So let's see what happened next here. And after the chalk, we can buy after taking out the inducement. So right now, there is no chalk still. So chalk first taken out the internal high. Exactly. But market must be taken out the inducement. Okay. So All right. So I think in the left side, there is a low break or not. Let me check first. There is no break. So still our chalk. No, this is a not chalk. Chalk still is here. Market trading between this high to this low. If market take break this low, so this will be our chalk. Okay. So let's see what happened. Okay. Finally, market break this change of character. So after this change of character, where is our inducement? Okay. So this is our inducement is here, right? This point. Technically, this one is our right now, our inducement, and we can buy after taking out the inducement. Let's see. Okay. Now our inducement shift here to here. Okay. And this one is our unmitigated order flow. Which one is here? Right. If price tap here and give a momentum, any candlestick confirmation, single candle mitigation, then we can buy here. Right. Let's see. Okay. Sorry. So this one is our demand zone. And if market keep any indication for the buy, we can definitely buy here. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, this candle break by this no. Okay. Minor chop. Actually, technically, this entry was here on this point. When market sweep the previous low is here. After sweep this low, when we can buy on this candle is here. Right. So this one is our buy entry is here. And first high broken, then we can move our stop loss on a break even, right? And the target is at least here. Okay, which cause this is our 15-minute measure high. Right. Let's see. Okay, anti-tap here. Okay, push higher and fail. Okay. So now we have a range between this low to this high. Inducement fail. And now we can see here market tap on this demand zone and go higher. So in this case, we can sell. When we can sell here, because this become our flip, demand convert into supply. Okay. And now we are looking for buy to mitigate this order block, and then we can take a decision for the buy. Right. Because in the left side, you can see every order flow is mitigated is here. Every order flow is mitigated here. So which candle we can take risk for the sell? I mean, when we can take a risk for the sell, the first one and second one, like here and here or here. These are three options you have when you are looking for the sell. Okay. Perfect. Actually, in this case, you can see first one is a more like a valid here. First reason is here, price tap on your demand zone and convert into supply, and this is a flip entry model. Second thing is here, this candle be taken out the previous candle high, which one is here, right? It means previous candle liquidity taken out by this candle. So this is our like you can see IFC called institutional funding candle, that's called. So we can take risk here for the sell if market mitigate this zone and put our stop loss just above it. And where is our target? This one, at least this one, right? So this is our target point. So let's see. Oh, market directly push downside without mitigation of entry. Yes, we can use like in inducement if there is no liquidity sweep, then we should definitely use inducement before the buy or sell. Okay. So market tap on the 15-minute demand zone. Let's switch into 15-minute again. Yes, tap on the 15-minute and this candle taken out this liquidity is here. So tap here and now we are looking here for the buy into 1 minute again. Okay. So in this case, where is our chalk when we can take entry for the buy? Where is our first pullback? Okay. So this one is our first pullback is here. And this one is a call change of character. Once market taken out this high, I mean break this high, and then wait for the taken out the inducement, then we can buy. Okay. Oh, this is a sharply break to the upside. Let's see. There is no inducement still. Okay. So now we where we can where our inducement and when we can take risk for the buy. First of all, everyone mark the inducement only. I need inducement only. Actually, though the first entry after chalk we can't use here because the first thing is here there is a no inducement. And I want to mention here one more thing is there like this is our very larger range for the demand zone, so you can check into left side into 1 minute structure that exactly that which point market can go higher in a like tap on the order block in a 1 minute and then buy and sell. So in this case you can see here there are two order block is here. First one is here, right? So this one is our first zone when we can take a risk for the 1 minute chalk and then we can buy. And the second one, the extreme, which one is here. So these two zone are valid for the buy if price tap here. Okay, because a lot of people get confused here that this is a very larger range and why we can and how we can identify that this is the actual chalk and maybe market push downside. So you can check into left side in a 1 minute structure. Yes, proper imbalance is here. And so basically these two zone are here valid for the buy. If price give any reaction on the first uh, PY, then we can buy. And the next is the extreme, right? So this is a change of character. After this change of character, where is our inducement? Inducement is here. Which one is here? Definitely, exactly. So this is an inducement. After taking out the inducement, when we can buy? Yes, this one looks valid, right? Actually, main thing is the inducement. If there is a everything is mitigated, then we can also buy here. Why? Because main purpose is to taken out the inducement. Taken out the inducement, if market give any single candle mitigation based entry, we can buy here still. Okay. So you have to like wait to mitigate taken out this inducement, then we can buy. Okay. So let's see. And if we are buying here, you have to put your stop loss just below it. This is a actual low is here for the safer side, and you can use this one also, but this is our little bit safer compared to the first one. Okay. And the target will be measure high, which one is here, right? And second thing is here, when we can move our stop loss on a break even point after break the structure, first structure. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. So right now, where is our inducement? Is here. Exactly. Let's see. Inducement are here similar. Okay. Type here. Okay. Yes. Right now you can see here. This is a very interesting thing is here. You can see when market tap on the this extreme one, which one is here, and then what happened? Market sweep the previous candle low, and you can add buy like here, right? So like this one also, and you can stop loss just like this also, right? So if you missed first entry is here, you can add more position after taking out this like here, right? Taken out this is a technically is engineering liquidity in the lower time frame. So after taking out this extreme, and then taken out this previous candle low and close above it. So this big entire wick act like a demand zone, type here and go higher. So we can add another entry possible is here, right? First entry is here. Which one is here, right? So let's see. Okay. And this one is our minor chalk, right? So in this case, where is our inducement after this minor chalk? The first inducement is here, right? Exactly. And now we can buy here below it, this order block, right? And this one, and stop loss at least below it, and target will be same. This one, right? And let's see. Okay, perfect. So market finally tap on the next entry, and when we can buy on the next entry, market again break this high, and in this case you can see market break the previous candle low, and this act like a IFC, which one is here, right? And this one is our IFC. Yes, this one is also, but I'm not taking entry here, but I'm just giving you uh, that how we can identify the IFC candle. Okay, because this candle taken out the previous candle, we are not taking entry here still until like this move, and then we can buy if same thing happen here. Okay, because we are running into counter trend. Okay, so finally market break this high, which one is here. Okay, all right, so right now we have a two position is here, and market break this high, which one is here. Now let's see. So in this case, where is our inducement? Okay, mark the only major inducement because minor and major are very, very close. Okay, perfect. So this one is our actual inducement is here. And this is our minor and this is our major because this is a between this leg, right? So after taking out this inducement, where is our possible entry for the buy? First one is here, right? Because this candle taken out the previous candle liquidity, right? And another possible scenario is here. If market push downside, taken out this liquidity and create anything here into like candlestick form, then we can buy. And yes, we can move this position is here. And why we can't move this one? If you move this position on a break even and market can be pushed downside and tap on your order flow and like order block, and then this entry can be your like a break even. So first entry can be a break even, but second is not. But this is a very larger move. You can take little bit partial here also. Exactly. Take partial. Let's see. Oh, okay. So price tap here and we can buy here, but put our stop loss just below it for this safer side and target will be same. Which one is here? Okay. And this one is our inducement, right? Now, if market broke this high, then we can definitely move our stop loss on a break even. Okay. I think in a upside, these looks like a equal high. Exactly. These are equal high, which is an indication that liquidity sitting above it. So possibly, and this one is looks also equal low. Let's see. Oh, okay. There is no possible entry is here. Okay. So finally, market break this high. Which one is here? Actual high is here, and this one low and this high, and this is our internal range between this high or low. So after break this first structure, this is a called change of character, where is our inducement and when we can take entry for the buy. Exactly. So once price taken out this inducement, we can definitely buy here, and it doesn't matter there is order block available or not. Main thing is your inducement. Taken out the inducement, wait for the candlestick single candle mitigation, then we can buy. Let's see. I think high shift here to here. So now our inducement is here. Okay, exactly. Let's see. Now again, inducement shift here because market broke this high. Okay, there is no any another entry possible is here. Mass market trying to go continue higher. Let's see in the next move. Now you have to check the 15-minute structure. What happening here? Because market already push higher. Okay, there is no pullback. Again, switch into 1-minute structure. Okay, so in this way, where is our inducement? In this leg, this is our entire leg is here, right? So where is our inducement? This one is a not inducement, which you mark on the top. This is not inducement. Actual inducement is here because this pullback did not break the previous candle low. Yes, we can use this valid inducement, which is must be taken out, right? So after taken out this inducement, we can buy here. Okay, this order block is a possible for the buy, and because this order block taken out the liquidity also, and this is a very larger leg here. You have to wait here for single candle mitigation like previous candle sweep and then go higher like engulfing candle, then we can buy. Let's see. Yes, now looks valid for the buy here. This stop loss just below it, and target is the same here. Why? Because the previous candle close of it and then minor imbalance, right? So this is our single candle based mitigation entry also, and price tap on the your py, which one is here, taken out the inducement. So that's why this is a possible, and this one is a sell move is here also because taken out the liquidity. So market can be pushed downside if market taken out the liquidity. So this is a strong zone for the sell, and market maybe market push downside, mitigate something here, which is unmitigated. This one, because this is unmitigated order flow. But let's see. Looking here for buy, and next possible entry here for buy is here because this low act like a engineering liquidity, extreme liquidity, you can say. Oops, there is no entry. Okay, still this entry is a valid. This high, okay, break, and now this entry is not valid here because structure is a change here. Now you have to wait for the taken out the inducement, then we can buy. Which one? This one, inducement, and this is our okay, but there is not any confirmation entries here. Still no. Let's see. Okay, minor chalk is here. Taken out this. Look at this one first of all. Yes, price sweep the order flow exactly. So look at this one. This is our minor chalk, right? And after this minor chalk, you can see where is our inducement. this one, taken out this candle low, right? So this is our inducement, and after the inducement, where is our unmitigated like a order block, unmitigated zone when we can take risk for the buy or sell, right? So this looks like a unmitigated, like a proper imbalance, and this is a candle. But I'm not looking here for buy directly, actually, but I'm more interested here for buy. When market taken out this extreme, or you can say in general equity, taken out this one and close above it. So we can buy here. Next candle open and put the stop loss just below it, right? And this is much valid and much high probability compared to the first one, right? Because this one is a very extreme, okay, but this is also valid, but this one is a more additional confirmation that market actually respect this order block and give a quick erection, taken out the liquidity, right? So this one is a more valid compared to the first one. Okay, so let's see. Perfect. Now we can see again market break this high. After break the high, where is our inducement? This one, right? So once market taken this low, then we can again buy here. When we can buy? On this level, right? Or if sweep this inducement, then we can again buy. Okay, perfect. So market just sweep the liquidity is here, right? Taken out the inducement. When market taken out the inducement, sweep the liquidity, we can buy. Okay, is here. And put the stop loss just below it for the safer side. And you can, if this is unmitigated, that's why I'm not putting the stop loss just below it, because this can be your like risky. This is a little bit safer because you are putting the stop loss on the uh, this order block, below this order block, right? So let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, so finally market hit our target, which is here. Okay, you are looking for safer movement. Exactly. Okay, so this is our quick bar play backtesting is here, and you can apply same thing when you when you backtesting. You have to mark any zone which you mark looking for the backtesting. First mark the higher time frame, 15-minute area, right? Then you can switch into 1 minute to see exactly how price reacting in a 1 minute. If any trade fail, then no need to worry. Winning and failure are part of the trading. Okay, this will be continue. But when any trade fail, then you have to check that your setup is a valid or not. If setup is a valid, fail, then no need to worry. Okay. Can you buy when price sweep the previous candle low? It's too much risk. When price sweep the previous candles low or close above it, okay, so those are indication, a strong indication for the buy in the last entry, as I mentioned here, and this one. These two entry are very high probability, you can say, because when price taken out the candles high or low, then I love it for buy or sell. Okay, now we have start from now we should start quick question answer. After that, I will finish this session. And if anyone join late, then you can watch later. I will upload on Discord as soon as possible. USD cat, please. Okay, what time frame you are looking? USD cat. I use previous candle low sweep to buy. Actually, when price sweep the previous candle low, okay, sorry, previous structure low, okay, those are strong confirmation. But when price when price sweep the previous candle low, which is also a good sign for the buy, but you have to like you have to on PY zone. Okay, that's work smoothly on a single candle mitigation. This session is a very helpful. Okay, thank you so much. Now switch into USD CAD after request. 15. Yes, 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 exactly on PY zone. Perfect. And the single candle mitigation explain in a details in a ebook. Okay, you can check it. Yes, only PY zone. Okay, so right now, first of all, delete all these things. So this is a USD CAD structure, and someone asked me what is Sandy World. Okay, so everyone mark this structure is here and help the Sandy World to marking the structure in M15. Okay, looks interesting USD CAD in M15. Okay, perfect. Look at this high. This high did not taken out the any inducement, so this is a not pause. First thing, actual high is here, right? And in this case, this is not a break of structure because the left side there is no inducement. Inducement was here, so market did not taken out the inducement, so we can't uh, mark as a valid break of structure. So what happened here? Market high break this high, so our inducement will be also transfer here to here, which one is here, but actual this is our minor inducement, as you know, and major inducement is here, right? So this is our major and this is our minor, right? And why this is a minor and major? Because this is a single leg, right? First leg is here and then take a pullback and then market go higher, higher, right? So this is our, because this high broken by this move. So this is a minor and this is a major. And after taking out the major inducement, then we can see market higher. And sometime what happen here, most of the time, that's the main reason that market taken out the first inducement, right? Tap here and give reaction and then fail. And then market taken out this larger inducement and mitigate something here. Okay. And then go higher. Okay. So right now, this high, if do not break. Okay. So right now we can see here market just sweep the liquidity. So what is this here? Market sweep the previous candle high. Okay, so these are indication that market can be take a pullback to the downside, but this is the M15 structure, not a higher time frame like daily 4 hour, right? So M15 structure just sweep the liquidity. So this will definitely will give you a momentum to the downside, but for the short term. Okay. Okay, so we can, you have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation before the sell here at this point, because there is a not confirmed structure is here. So if market taken out this one, so we can set our target at least this one for the sell, exactly anti-type 3. Okay, so the next question. It's similar to the Bitcoin M15 chart. Exactly. Thank you for support. Okay, most welcome. And who joined recently in our community, and I will suggest you that do some. I have to go. Okay, you can go because everything is a finish almost, and you can watch later also. Cat JPY. Okay, let's look at Cat JPY. Okay, most welcome, Pat Offs. Which time frame you are looking for Cat JPY? Please mention time frame also. 15 minutes. Okay. So right now, this is a picture in a M15 in a Cat JPY, and everyone help Muhammad Hassan to mark them structure. Everyone mark this structure. Exactly. Price in a ranging. Market did not break the taken out the inducement, either not break the previous low. So right now, picture in a bearish, but market did not taken out the inducement, not taken out the previous low. Which one is here? Right. And now it's very close. And this was, I think, let me check first here. There is no pullback here. So high is here. This is our inducement. Khan, you have a lot of patience for us. It's help, but you are helping us. Thank you so much. And bless every mental life. Okay, thank you, everyone. So right now we have a range in a cat JPY. Market did not break this low, not break taken out this inducement. So I think you don't need to trade this until broken this low or taken out the inducement. Okay, so if there is any other question or anything, so you can ask me. How much time you have doing trading? You mean how long I have been trading? What is the best time to trade in IST? Yes. Actually, I'm trading since 2017 in a crypto market. I start crypto market first day, and 2 years spent in a crypto market. Then after that, I learned forex market when I saw on a YouTube that this type of market actually working. We can make money in a buy side and sell side, because when I was trading in a crypto market, then I was thinking only buy, 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 and I lose a lot of money in a crypto market. And after that, when I saw forex, and then I decided to learn in details, but nobody uh, wants to teach me, and even I spend a lot of money to teaching to learn this stuff, that how actually work, what is pip, and how we can calculate them, and what is risk reward. I don't know exactly. So I was very like aggressive to learn these type of things. But after that, I practice and I join a lot of community even. And I started from trend line, chart pattern, RSI, overbought, oversold. There are different type of strategy. And after that, I see last 1 years ago, I hear about ICT actually from the, yeah, exactly. My old videos are about trend line. Has ended trading up to video course. And I hear about a ICT that SMC is a different thing from the trend line and pattern. But when I start study the ICT concept, but ICT is a complex for me to understand thing. And even actually, I don't know exactly how ICT's things are working, but some people are using ICT concept and they work very smoothly. Okay, because everyone have a own strategy, on a mindset, on psychology. So I don't think ICT is a working for me. Okay, maybe working for you, so it's a very good. Okay, but it's not working for me, so I don't think it's not good for me. So then I decided to learn more depth in a SMC. Even I joined a lot of community actually, and I have joined a lot of community, but everyone teaching you same thing, like chalk, boss, flip, and these of time. And I spent 1 year to learn these stuff, at how actually SMC work. Then I decided to learn myself and spend a lot of time on internet. And then I just do some back testing, everything. And after that, when I was trading in SMC, then I know that break off structure and order block, these two things are SMC. When I mark break the structure, then I mark my order block. Sometime market tap and then failed. And then I was thinking, why, what happened here? And sometimes I mark my order block, but market did not tap my order block, but market pushed downside or upside. Most of the time hit the stop loss, and most of the time fail. Then I decided what happening with me, right? Every time, then I practice and back testing, lot of time spent on chart. Then I see exactly how things actually working, and then I uh, like you can say, then I found that how structure mapping, because most of the people are struggling to mapping the structure. Now you can see this type of structure is not available. Even I don't think you have seen before like this structure mapping. then i then I wrote a ebook, and which is very successful and a lot of people are loving it. Then I decided to make a community, because most of the people are saying that you should start community which will more helpful to other members. Then I started. Okay, and now we can see in our community every day 4, 5, 6 members join every day, and our community is a larging very fast. Exactly. I have never seen before the way to read structure. Exactly. You have never seen like this. I can say that's why I mention in every video in a YouTube also that you have never seen like this of content, because nobody will teach you. Most of the time, what happening here in a forex market. First thing, there are two types of person are available in a forex market. First, who know everything, but they don't want to teach you. Okay, they don't want to tell you. And second type of person, they don't know anything. Okay, they are giving you like copy pasting, like this is a boss and chow boss or chow, this is a higher high, higher low, market going upside and buy. Was amazing for me when I exactly these type of stuff are stuff that not available on YouTube. Even your YouTube videos are having more knowledge than your whole course. Exactly. And the our trading hub 3.0 will be more advanced and more like you can say very logical and practical and very powerful, because I'm adding new topic in 3.0, and some minor errors and will be updated in 3.0 as 3 and it 3 2.0. Actually, in the 2.0, everything is almost finished. If there is need any one or two video, I will make sure. Uh, but I'm planning to make 3.0 content, okay, which will be start from start like a medium to advance, and it's take time, as I mentioned in an announcement, that this will be uploaded, I mean this will be finished end of the December. But this will be definitely game changer for you. And one more thing, you don't need to pay any single cent for this one, because you are already our family members. So you don't need to pay anything because you already paid for it. Okay. The craziest thing is the title. Why some stereotypical? Are you start going to start monthly plan? I'm thinking, if everything is okay, then I will think about it, start monthly plan. What do you suggest, everyone? Give me your opinion. Let me stop this recording first.